Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to switch back to old classic Elementor layout from Atomic Builder Elementor. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see we are using new Elementor Atomic Builder layout, but we are going to fix it and switch back to old classic layout Elementor. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see Elementor and then you see multiple options. Now you see editor and then you see settings, so click on it. So we are in setting and then you see atomic editor, so click on it, and then you see deactivate, so click on it. Now you see atomic editor. You are about to lose all content created with atomic feature. Yes, enable this option and then click on deactivate, and then you see you have deactivated the new editor. If you want, you can activate it again. Now go to page, refresh the page. Now you see old classic Elementor layout is back. You see container layout style advanced. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.